Elmia Subcontractor is Northern Europe's leading trade show for subcontractors in the manufacturing industry and their customers. As a genuine specialist fair for product development and purchasing, Elmia Subcontractor is the contact supplier for your business in Scandinavia.
I think it's a great meeting place for customers and contractors.
You get the opportunity to meet potential suppliers and also current suppliers from different parts of the world, not just the Scandinavian countries.
Scandinavia is a very important market for us, and Elmia is the most important exhibition in this sector.
Whether you have developed new materials, efficient solutions, innovative components or technologies, Subcontractor is the right place to meet the right decision makers. They include buyers, product developers, design engineers, and production planners. Each year, Elmia Subcontractor brings together about 1,200 exhibitors from 30 countries who are looking for new business opportunities.
I went around this morning and just for 1.5 hours, and I got this bucket of cards. So I think there are a lot of opportunities that we can see here from our side, from Volvo side.
Scandinavia is interesting. They are similar like Western Europe, and we think that here is some potential for us to deliver to customers here.
Previous years I found my suppliers on Elmia.
We are looking for new opportunities for suppliers to be able to meet our growth and expansion.
For us it's important to grow, that the business are grow, and so I think the Elmia is a big opportunity for us to receive new customers.
Look into the future at Subcontractor InnoDex, the fair's inspiration and knowledge forum. It's a springboard for valuable development and new business opportunities. It's also a showcase for globally unique products, new materials, fresh ideas, innovative design, and tomorrow's production methods.
I'm looking at new materials, new production techniques, new inspiration for the future development of our products.
The reason I come here is just to see new thinking and have in my head.
It's a lot of good ideas and interesting materials.
Another opportunity to do business is our matchmaking service, Subcontractor Connect. For over 10 years, it has created more than 15,000 meetings and generated business worth over €1 billion. Each year, companies from some 20 countries take part. The number of large corporations involved on the buying side is increasing steadily. Subcontractor Connect attracts international attention. The presence of top-quality purchasers from various sectors is unique in Europe today.
It's a very good, very efficient way of looking for new suppliers as we see it. We have fully booked meetings here according to our plan, so we have a tight schedule.
It's going quite fine. There are some interesting proposals we've seen, interesting new technology.
You do have the opportunity to target Nordic producing companies, which is for sure an advantage, and you get a direct contact.
In the more digitalized world, the meeting is even more important.
We are producing for automotive in Thailand. So I think it's better to come here because in Sweden actually there's some company that is well known in automotive also. That's why we select to come here.
Swedes do not do business with Swedes anymore only. We have multicultural customer base, a multicultural supplier base, corporations between different OEMs from different parts of the world.
I would say it's the most important fair here in the Nordic countries. If you want to have Swedish customers, you need to be here and to meet the Swedish customers. So you can't expect them to come to meet you, you need to be local. So I think it's for foreign companies it's very important to be here if you have Sweden and the Nordic countries as target markets.
Be at the heart of the Scandinavian subcontracting market and meet thousands of potential customers in one place.